gotta see if the controller's working right on it. About to find out. It's a nice day out here.
On the new wheels, feeling irie now. The whole neighborhood, me a check it out. Press the pedal, low assist, gentle breeze. Me a glide along with such an ease. Then me turn it up higher, the power flow. Watching all the scenery, watching the vibes grow. This electric feeling, it's a brand new day. Riding
Going down the neighborhood now. It's not the same as when we first moved up in here. But it's okay. Got a lot of renters in here and stuff. So we don't need no new friends or nothing like that. Used to be a lot of little kids down this way. Friend had a bunch of people used to live right there in that house. But man, we're going back about 20 something years ago. Curve around the cul-de-sac. Level 2. Ride, got a little pedal going on. Nice day. Yeah. Not quite the same, but oh well. Life goes on. I'm still in pedal assist 2. We're gonna go ahead and pedal it out, make up this hill. Maybe I'll bump up to 3. Yeah, bump up to 3. Gear it down. We're gonna go around this hill up here. Not bad. It's only in 3. Getting a little pedal action going. Stop pedaling now. We're doing 20. I don't know if you can see that. Car just speeding around me in the neighborhood. Let's bump this thing up to 5 and get something going here. Pedal assist 5. I was barking, you won't get me. We're going down here. 22. 24. 26. 28. 29. And 30. There's that same idiot going back down there again. Let's turn this thing around and go back down to the other part. Yeah, it's pretty quiet around here, I guess. But right now, school's not all the way out. And you got kids in school. There's the mail lady. I'm gonna go ahead and go on pedal assist 5. Drive this baby. It's 24. Brake squeak, as you can see. Probably at the end, I'm getting some new brake pads on it.
So much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show.
Okay, let's go put it away now.
To follow and like.
I've seen what I wanted to see.
Subscribe before you go. Follow, like, and subscribe. Oh, don't you go.
Oh, I wish the brakes didn't squeak so much, but oh well.